Yeah, I think this is up north, isn't it?
Yes.
Based up
Thank you.
north. Thank you. Yeah, I think this one's based out. Sam.
Yeah.
This one's probably based out of not Manchester, but like the Chase Valley.
I think
on,
so.
Sam. Oh yeah.
Oh, right.
X-Tower Transit.
Wow.
Matthew, this
Yeah.
is X-Tower Transit.
Yeah, XTT. Yeah.
What's this too hot?
It's a street light, Jamal. What do you expect?
Streetlite.
It's a street light. Yeah.
Sam's
London.
happy.
Yeah.
No.
Sam's favourite.
No.
Smiling. He's glazing over this bus, Sam.
He's creaming himself.
Boo.
Get out gas.
I hate.
Yeah, that's the high bus. In the mood.
So I believe this is X228 Nostalgia.
Not
And-
236.
No.
Oh, I thought this was 236.
Yeah, I thought
This is a 68 wedge.
I thought this was 236.
Wait, are you sure it's a 68? Because it's a private number plate.
Well, I believe so.
Yeah, this one's a private number plate.
Or if not, if it's an S,
Tower Transit.
because one of the 68 wedge was withdrawn.
After the first bank.
It's a shame that they don't get that one. I think Go Ahead bought it.
Guys, let me know in the comments of what this bus is, because I haven't got a clue whether if it's a 17 wedge or 68 wedge. If it was actually a 17 wedge, I would know it was on the 236. If it was a 68, then it would be on like a 218, 228.
Yeah. So, Chase Rider has one of these street lights on their service between, I think it's between Walsall bus station.
P4 used to be my local bus.
Oh, Brixton.
Yes.
Yeah.
I miss it with Stagecoach.
Yeah, the
Then it
E-Hydrant.
starts, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Then it starts, yes, then it starts.
X200s.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I used to live on Moreland Road.
And the 58 wedge E200s.
Yes.
58 wedge. Yeah.
E-Hydrant
So many hills
darts.
around there.
Yes, hilly
Valley,
hills.
Sydenham.
Luckily I went on them before it was passed on to Go Ahead.
Yeah, very lucky.
Yeah.
Now the P4 is ruined
Uh,
because that's the street lights on it.
favourite, Sam.
Oh, shut up, Matthew.
But on one, we can't be dissing street lights when we're actually on.
I know.
Can't be dissing.
Look how bad this bus is.
It's good. It's not rattly. That's a good thing.
Well, the other street lights, they're horrible.
Yeah. But the ones from outside of London are actually next.
Even though they're not rattly, I still hate
My
them.
local bus there, the P12. You know that?
P12?
Yeah.
It goes to Streatham.
No, that's
Anything but street lights or new remasters, I like them. Anything but new masters or street lights.
No, it's the Surrey Keys, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why did these buses get withdrawn from London?
Straight.
Yeah, how first withdrew their street lights.
Yeah. At least they got some street lights on the 236.
We're going to get AWU next, so we have to go off at this spot.
That's one,
Oh, yes.
That's One Tree Hill.
Yes.
That's a good point to see.
Huh? One Tree Hill?
Yeah, just there. That's like a good point to see.
Oh, look, DW behind.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, what's the wedge? What's the wedge?
Yeah, the wedge is the 59.
59. ABX.
It's AU.
What? AWU?
But how long's the next bus then, Sam?
Yeah, the next one, go coach.
That's not going to take long, is it?
No, about 15 minutes.
Yeah, One Tree Hill's a good place to see the whole of London as well.
I think my sister went there to the, during bonfire night.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think my sister went there. This is nostalgic though, being nice. I believe this company is based outside of London.
Yeah.
I think so, that up north, I believe. Triangle.